See students, we were studying about types of operating system. In that I concluded the meeting with disk operating system. Now all of you know what is this disk operating system, but only in detail we will see what is this. See, it is a type of system software. ये भी एक software है जो that runs from a hard disk drive. So it is a command line operating system where a user needs to type the commands for every action to be परफॉर्म्ड ऑन दी कंप्यूटर. कोई भी एक्शन के लिए यूज़र को कोई ना कोई कमांड टाइप करना है, ठीक है. डॉस कैन सपोर्ट मल्टीपल डायरेक्टरीज, नेटवर्किंग, एनहांस्ड मेमोरी मैनेजमेंट, टेक्स्ट एडिटिंग फंक्शंस. मीन्स ये सारे फंक्शंस या फिर ये सारे काम डॉस कर सकता है. डिस्क कॉम्प्रेशन मीन्स व्हाट, डिस्क के अंदर जो डेटा है उसको कंप्रेस कर देना. एंड फ्रेगमेंटेशन. सो हाउएवर इट्स कमांड लाइन यूटिलिटी मेक्स इट डिफिकल्ट फॉर बिगनर्स टू यूज़. DOS does not support multiple users or multitasking because it runs only on one program. जैसे बाकी के ऑपरेटर्स हैं उनके अंदर कौन सा फीचर है, दे सपोर्ट मल्टी यूजर्स और मल्टीटास्किंग. DOS was the most commonly found operating system in IBM PCs. जो IBM PCs थे ना, which were developed by Microsoft in the year 1981. तो DOS उस टाइम पे उन कंप्यूटर्स में होता था. नेक्स्ट ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम स्टूडेंट्स इज व्हाट, लिनक्स. Linux is the operating system that is open source and free. It was developed by Linus Torvalds in the year 1991. It has become the most popular alternative to other costly operating system due to its amazing features. Other operating systems which are very costly, but this is very popular among them. क्यों popular है? क्योंकि इसके features कौन कौन से? Just listen. First feature is what? Portable. Then second is what? Multi-user and multi-programming. Shell, open source and free, hierarchical file system and security. Now you know you won't understand कि इनके सारे features क्या है. In detail you will not be able to understand. So just leave it that, only understand that it was having some features. Next operating system is what? Windows. Windows is a series of graphical user interface operating system. Now everyone is well aware with the Windows. All of you know because you are studying since so many years. You are using this Windows, which was developed, marketed and sold by Microsoft. Windows operating system was the first graphical user interface for IBM compatible PCs, which soon dominated the PC market. Maximum PCs में आपने देखा होगा Windows ही सबसे ज़्यादा पॉपुलर है. नेक्स्ट इज मोबाइल ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. Mobile operating system is also known as mobile OS. It is particularly designed to operate smartphones, PDAs, tablets and other mobile devices. Mobile operating system is a software which provides platform on which other programs or applications can run on mobile devices. There are various kinds of mobile operating system is used in smartphones such as BlackBerry, RIM, Android में Google यूज़ होता है और iOS यूज़ होता है एप्पल आईफोन में, नोकिया में सिम्बियन और माइक्रोसॉफ्ट में विंडोज़ मोबाइल. मोस्ट पॉपुलर इज़ व्हाट, एंड्रॉयड वी आर यूजिंग. सो एंड्रॉयड ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम में क्या है देखो, एंड्रॉयड इज़ द वर्ल्ड्स मोस्ट पॉपुलर मोबाइल ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. इट इज़ एन ओपन सोर्स मीन्स लिनक्स बेस्ड पे है प्लेटफॉर्म. इनिशियली डेवलप्ड बाय एंड्रॉयड इन अक्टूबर 2003 एंड लेटर परचेज्ड बाय गूगल इन 2005. The green robot is the logo for the Android operating system. Android operating system turns your phone into powerful web browser, game console and personal assistant all in one. Our next is Symbian operating system. This we are going to continue in our next class. Till then, goodbye and thank you for watching. So students, our next operating system is Symbian operating system. Symbian is a mobile operating system. मतलब ये जो operating system है, it was basically used in mobile only, which was specifically created for smartphones. Symbian was originally developed by Symbian Limited and is currently maintained by Accenture. Symbian was primarily used by Nokia and was also used by many major mobile phone brands. मतलब primarily ज़्यादा करके नोकिया के फ़ोन्स में ये वाला सॉफ्टवेयर होता था, ऑपरेटिंग सॉफ्टवेयर सिस्टम इट वॉज देयर. बट लेटर ऑन बहुत सारे मेजर मोबाइल ब्रांड्स लाइक नोकिया, लाइक सैमसंग, मोटोरोला एंड सोनी इरेक्शन, दिस ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम वॉज फाउंड. एंड्रॉयड ओवरटेक overtook it in the end of 2010. मतलब ये Symbian operating system जो था from 2003 to 2010 it was very popular. Later on at the end of 2010 Android overtook it. Until then it was the most popular smart operating system for the smartphones. लेकिन जैसे ही एंड्रॉयड ने इसको ओवरटेक कर दिया, सो नाउ एंड्रॉयड इज़ द लीडर. नेक्स्ट इज़ iOS. सो ये iOS मोबाइल ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम जो है ये एप्पल के फ़ोन में होता है, ठीक है. ये एंड्रॉयड में नहीं मिलेगा, यू विल नॉट फाइंड इन एंड्रॉयड फोन्स. सो iOS इज़ अ मोबाइल ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम बाय एप्पल. इट इज़ द वर्ल्ड्स मोस्ट एडवांस्ड मोबाइल ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. It was originally released in 2007 and is used to run the iPhone, iPad and iPod Touch. Formerly it was known as iPhone operating system. Unlike other mobile operating systems such as Android में कौन सा operating system use होता है? Google and Windows in Microsoft. Apple does not authorize iOS for installation or on any non-Apple hardware. मीन्स आप किसी non-Apple फ़ोन में iOS इंस्टॉल नहीं कर सकते हैं. Therefore, iOS devices are created exclusively for its hardware. Apple designs the iOS devices to maintain a high level of security without compromising the user's experience. Apple ने जो डिज़ाइन किया है इसको, it to maintain the high level of security because of its good security without compromising the user's experience. Due to their exceptionality of apps, games and features, iOS devices cost more than any other mobile operating system gadgets available in the market. मतलब ये सबसे ज़्यादा कॉस्टली ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम है iOS, क्योंकि ये एप्पल के फ़ोन्स, एप्पल के iPads में अवेलेबल है. तो डेफिनेटली एप्पल iPhones and iPad and iPod are very costly. Next is Windows Mobile Operating System. It is a mobile operating system developed by Microsoft for smartphones and mobile devices based on the Windows CE kernel. It is designed to look and operate similar to desktop versions of Microsoft Windows. It has given a whole new dimension to emailing and documentation. Some of the Windows mobile operating system are Nokia Lumia 920, Samsung ATIVs and Windows Phone 8C by HTC. आपको याद होगा ये सब पहले फ़ोन्स बहुत ज़्यादा पॉपुलर थे, अभी भी है, ऐसी बात नहीं है. सो ये सॉफ्टवेयर वॉज डेवलप्ड इन दैट. So Windows Mobile Operating System is mainly classified into 3 main versions for hardware devices. First is what? Smartphones with touchscreen are supported with Windows Mobile Professional version. Then mobile phones without touchscreen runs on Windows Mobile Standard. And the last version of Windows Mobile Operating System is Windows 10, which runs on mobile phones and tablets. Microsoft will stop providing support and updates for Windows 10 Mobile by the end of 2019. So this was a very simple chapter, children. You please complete this assessment part. Very easy questions are these, and complete this. And those who are sending me on my WhatsApp, I am making a note of it. जो नहीं भेज रहे हैं उनका नाम भी मेरे पास नोट है. प्लीज़ एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट करो. दिस विल रियली हेल्प यू बिकॉज most of the time questions are coming from this book itself only. तो 10 chapters children मैंने complete कर दिया है part A का. As I told you in my live class that in my next live class what I am going to do, देखो part A में 10 chapters we have completed. Basic computer operations तक हमने complete कर दिया, ठीक है. Now part B we are going to begin. Okay, thank you for watching.